Make a great choice today with
the 2018 IS350. With a long list of standard luxury and convenience features, the IS350 is a joy to drive. A 3.5-liter V6 engine ensures you get where you're going quickly and in style. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.